Hello guys, today we will be unboxing Titan wired LED keyboard. So here it looks like this, and it's Titan brand. It's metal and it comes with a phone stand. And it has number lock also, number keys also. Okay, so here we're going to need to open the tape here. There is some tape here. Okay, now after we open the tape, we can do that. So here we have our Titan keyboard, Titan wired keyboard. So it looks like this, and it's mechanical, so it can light up, and it's metal. So this is the USB. There is an instruction manual. So there is all of the letters, the punctuation, and the number keys. And it has adjustable brightness, so whenever it lights up, if the lights are very bright, so you can adjust the light, so how dim or bright you want it. And if you're wondering why the WASD keys are black, because on the box you can see the WASD keys actually light up green. So this will actually light up green, the WASD keys. And it has the arrow keys here. I don't think they light up. There's the numbers. So and it is kind of silent a little bit, but the space bar is not that silent. So these are all the buttons here. And it is metal here, so you can see it's metal. Here is the back side. Looks like this. And here are the light indicators here, so you can see if the LED lights are on or off. So that is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.